Welcome to the Traders Haven live session trade summary for the 7th of December. That was Monday, 2009. And so we're going to highlight a couple of the trades that we took for you in the live session. These are the ones that we actually did in the London session that we were hanging on to them by the time we got to the New York session. They were still in. And so the guys that joined us in the New York session saw the trades that we still had there with our stop losses, a break even, and so on. So let's just explain to you what we got up to there. You're looking at the Euro USD 1 hour chart, and what you can see here is a number of candles presenting wicks to the top side, and all in this area here they were finding a bit of resistance. And so if I click to the 4 hour, you can have a look. And you see how we had that big fall off on the non-farm payroll. We got the gap up and we had this area here is where those candles were presenting themselves. Now, if I go back to the 1 hour, you'll notice that there was a whole bunch of them. There were small bodies. There were a lot of wicks to the top side, and we started, realizing that this is going to turn negative. It looked like it was going to arc over and start falling again. And so, pretty much what we did was, as soon as we started seeing some red bias, I think on the close of this candle here, we jumped in short on the open of this new candle. And we targeted it for our first target, the low of the previous swing, that drop off down there. And so we hit that low, took half the trade off, left the rest at break even, and thought we'd let it ride. Unfortunately, as you can see, we came up here and we got stopped out of break even on the second half of the trade. It's unfortunate, but we got half the trade off in profit, which was great. No complaints there. So what we also were watching and trading was the Aussie dollar. And if you have a look here, this is the Aussie dollar 4 hour chart. We were in a trade in this one as well from the London session that was still in the New York session. What we saw was the fall off, obviously, that big drop off down there, break below the 200 EMA, which was very important and very interesting to us. We saw it come back, and remember, these are 4 hour candles. This is a fair amount of time. It was banging up against this area here, couldn't make it through, couldn't make it through, couldn't make it through. On the close of this red candle here, though, when it closed red, we jumped in short on the next candle, and we put our stop loss just above the wicks of those previous candles. Well, as you can see, it went off nicely for us. We targeted 50 pips on that one. As soon as we got near to that area, what we did was we put our stop loss to break even. We took a half of the trade off. And as per our usual routine, we reward ourselves when we make a good decision, a trading decision that goes into profit. We give ourselves a reward for that, pat on the back. We take off some of the trade, put the stop loss at break even. And, pretty much similar to the euro, as you can see, it came back and took us out at break even on the second half of the trade. So it wasn't too bad, though. We had a very nice day, 2 good trades, got half off in profit on both of them. So a good successful trading day and no complaints there. It made a good few pips. And so that's what we did in the London session for the 7th of December. You're welcome to come and join us in the live trading sessions. Remember, for December, they're free. So pop along there to fap-tradershaven.com, register on the free forum. Click on the link and you can join us in the live trading sessions on a London session from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. GMT plus 2. And the New York session from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. GMT plus 2. So come and join us in the live sessions there. Ciao.